A brief guide to the use of revision map paper, available at the MindMap store linked below. 1. Put your title in the centre. 2. Do your research listing bullet points. Also consider listing your sources in case you want to come back to them later. 3. Select your key points. 4. Put your key points surrounding the centre. 5. List your other bullet points in the remaining space. Consider using different colours to add more of a visual impact. And done. In 5 easy steps, you have created a visually distinct bit of revision notes in a memorable pattern and image, which for many people will make it far easier to recall the included information than if it had just been presented as a list.